Hi guys, we're doing integration. Now, we've done a few examples on integration. Specifically now, what we're going to get to do now is find the area under a curve. Now, in order to find the area under a curve, all we need to do is integration, except this time you're going to get the bonus of having 2 points to denote the x-axis. With these 2 points, you'll be able to establish specifically where you're going to integrate so you can actually find the whole area under the curve. Stay tuned, we're about to do an example for you. Hi guys, welcome back. We're about to do that question. It's for integration. As you can look up here, we have find the area bounded by the curve of y equals x squared minus 4x and the x-axis. So let's do this together. One of the first things we want to do is find out what those two x coordinates are on the x-axis, because as you can see up here, we're not given those 2 points. So how do we find them? Very simple, it's a cinch. All you have to do is factorize it. So let's do that. Here's the equation. Let's factorize it. I'll just write it up over here. Y equals x squared minus 4x. Let's take x out as a factor. So that'll be a good one to take out. So we got x and we have bracket x minus 4. So that's x squared when we expand it and minus 4x when we expand it. So that seems to work. The next thing we want to do is for the to get the x-axis where it cuts on the x-axis, we make it equal 0. So let's make it equal 0. Therefore, there are two solutions. It's when x equals 0 and when x minus 4 equals 0, which means that x equals positive 4. So there's our two values, x equals 0 and x equals 4. What we're going to do now is integrate that equation with those 2 points. So let's do that now very quickly. So what we want to do here is integrate of this equation here. So we have x squared minus 4x. What are the 2 points? The points are 4 and 0. Let's put 4 there and 0 there. Let's integrate this now. Let's raise the power and divide by that power. So that ends up becoming x cubed on 3 minus 4x squared divided by 2. Over here we can do a cancel. That will become a 2. We cancel that, that will become a 1. Let's put a square bracket around that. What are the 2 points that we put up on the end? Yes, it's the 2 x points that we found earlier. It's the 4 and the 0. Put them here, 4 and 0. Now let's solve by substituting in the 4. So that'll go across here. We have 4 into the x, so it becomes 4 to the power of 3 all over 3. Minus, right over here we have 2x squared, so it's 2, 4 to power 2 over 1, because we cancelled it earlier. So that's over 1. Now, we subtract from that. What do we subtract? Well, we substitute 0, the second value. See the second value up here, 0? That's a smaller value. So if we substitute 0 into this, 0 cubed on 3 and 2 times 0 squared over 2 is simply 0. So we just take that away. It's 0. So our final answer is 4 cubed on 3 minus 4 4s are 16, 2 16s are 32. 32. Simplifying that, put that into your calculator. The final answer simply is 10 2/3 units squared. Thanks for watching.